episode of How to Do Video Series from Hello24ai. Today, we're going to see how you can automate customer reviews via WhatsApp connecting to your Shopify website. Let's go. So what you see right now in front of the screen is the integration tab in the Shopify integration option inside the Hello24 platform. So click on the Shopify option here. For the time being, we have this feature release in Shopify platform. So if you have a Shopify website, you can get your customer reviews post the delivery of your products, and that review can be initiated through WhatsApp message, and it can be automated in such a way that you ensure that you get the message from your customer after the purchase is done. So once you're in the Shopify integration screen, go to product reviews. Now the next thing is to select the right template. So we've selected a template here, right? And the variable one again is nothing but the name of the customer, and next is the product names according to the context that we have set here, wherein we are requesting a customer to rate a product or review the product after the product is being delivered to the customer post purchase, right? So the next important tag here is wait time. So wait time you'll have to set in days, hours, and minutes. The thought here is you can set any number of days and the time period from which you want the review message to be initiated to your customer post the fulfillment of the order delivered at the customer's address, right? Next important option is the event type. So event type is again fulfillment initiated. This is an internal option that you have wherein whenever you update the product that has been fulfilled inside your Shopify website internally or by your e-commerce team, if that is the process that you're following, you can always select the fulfillment initial option. Or else if you have a third-party delivery who's fulfilling the product deliver on updates for you, you can select on the fulfillment events by delivery partner. So only after the delivery partner confirms the the fulfillment of the product delivered to the customer's address, your product review message will be automatically initiated. So for the time being here to test the feature, let's click on fulfillment initiate. Now again, we have put 1 minute here to test as soon as we get or update the fulfillment details inside the Shopify. Next is to scroll down the revenue option, click on insert variable button and send the product review message as we selected, so that the product review message link will be carried forward through after the customer clicks on the button to the WhatsApp chat for the customer. Save. Now let's test the automated product review template message live over to the next video, wherein I'll show you how the Shopify website backend is ported. So here we are in the backend of the Shopify website. It's a demo website of ours, and now we'll place 2 orders and see how we can do a fulfillment of order and then automate the WhatsApp message to customer. Let's go. Before we start, it's important to know that the review is being collected through the integration of this app called judge.me product reviews. So you will have to install this app judge.me product reviews inside the Shopify website, so that you will be able to collect reviews for the products added via WhatsApp. Let's place an order. So let's create an order. Before we start, it's important to know that the review is being collected to test. Let's select 2 products just to test it. That's this and this. As you can see, 2 products have been added. Now let's mark it as paid. Create order. Now the next step is to fulfill the item. Click on fulfill items. And finally, click on fulfill items. As you can see right now, the items have been fulfilled. Now let's go and check if the WhatsApp message has been initiated for products. Go to the next page. As you can see here, the product review message has already been sent by the automated template that we have set. So now let's do a review and see how it's getting fixed and recorded in the back. Click on review now. Select right products. So I'll just select one of these products here. Let's see. Click on the rating button. Hit 5-star rating here. And now the message says write a review in short words, and so with the minute I write this review, it's going to be captured by like judge.me, and it's going to be shared and integrated with the Shopify website with the correct products. So I've just mentioned text here to the rating. As you can see, the rating has been completed. Let's go back to the Shopify backend and in the judge.me app and see if the product review has been active. So we're back at the Shopify website backend. Go to apps, select judge.me, click on manage reviews. As you can see here, the rating has been captured. This is one of the best and fastest way to get and nudge your customers to finally get the product reviews easily, and this directly gets updated in your Shopify website at the specific product, thereby giving more authentication to your product in terms of reviews and ratings. We hope you like this new feature release for Shopify website on the WhatsApp automation part, and we would like to know more about what your thoughts are on WhatsApp automation and what you think about this new product and feature. Please let us know in the comments below your thoughts on WhatsApp automation and on this feature. Thank you for watching this video. See you again in the next video. Take care and goodbye.